Today we're going to talk about rabies. We're going to go through 6 steps. The first step is an overview and background of the disease. The second step is the diagnosis and transmission. Third step is symptoms. Fourth is prevention. Fifth is global impact. And the sixth and last slide will be on the public health measures. Now here's an overview of rabies. Rabies is a viral disease caused by rabies virus, typically transmitted through saliva of infected animals. The virus infects the central nervous system and can be fatal once symptoms appear. Common carriers include mammals such as dogs, bats, raccoons, foxes, and skunks. Diagnosis and transmission. Transmission is mainly through bites. The most common mode of transmission is through bites from infected animals. Another form of transmission is contact. The virus can also be transmitted if infected saliva comes into contact with mucous membranes or open wounds. Symptoms. Initial symptoms may include fever, headache, and discomfort at the site of exposure. As the disease progresses, neurological symptoms like agitation, hallucinations, and paralysis may develop. Once clinical symptoms appear, rabies is almost always fatal. Prevention. Prevention is mainly through vaccination, avoiding contact, and post-exposure prophylaxis. Vaccinating pets at risk and individuals is a common preventative measure. Avoiding contact, minimizing contact with potentially infected animals is also crucial. Swift and proper wound cleaning along with rabies vaccination can prevent the onset of the disease if administered soon after the exposure. Global impact. Rabies is present on all continents except the Antarctica. The majority of human rabies cases are reported in Asia and Africa. Stray dogs are a common source of human rabies cases in many developing countries. Now, public health measures. Education on responsible pet ownership and the risks of the rabies is always very important. Surveillance and control programs targeting rabies in wildlife and domestic animals is also very important. Now, given the severity of the disease and its fatality, once symptoms appear, prompt medical attention and preventative measures are crucial for managing and preventing the spread of rabies. That's the conclusion. I hope this helps on the education of rabies.